Hey everybody, Mighty Man Handyman here, and I'm at my own house this weekend, and I am doing a project where I am removing the old jacuzzi tub. Actually, it's already gone, and we're going to be putting in a freestanding tub this weekend. So that's my weekend project. So we're going to show you a few of the step-by-step processes here that you have to use and do in order to get your old tub out and put a new tub in. So first thing is, we're going to come over here. We have the tub sitting here, and every house is a little different. We have a crawl space underneath this house. You can see we're down there. You can see the crawl space or anything like that. So first thing is, you're going to have to shut your water off, and you're going to have to disconnect your water line from your old tub. Now I just went underneath there and I cut my pipes, and you can see right here I have PEX pipe. It's that blue pipe right here. I'm going to have to reroute that one, by the way, because it comes up through the floor. And the thing I did was, I went right there and cut it. If you can see right here, we'll try not to get in the light of the window here because it blurs everything. But this right here is called a shark bite or gator bite. There's some other names that it goes by. Different companies make it now. But if you go in and say shark bite or gator bite, everybody will know what it is. This is just a cap. All I did was I cut my pipe underneath, and you just shove this on. It's done. Now you can turn the water back on to the rest of your house while you're doing your project. And in order to get it off, they make this nifty little tool. Just snap it on there. Pull up like this, push, pull, and it comes right off. Now I'm not going to take that one off. It's a little stuck on that. That's why it's like that. But it works on copper, CPVC, and PEX pipe, guys. The next thing is you need to cut your sewer drain, your drain coming up into your tub. I just used a Sawzall. Found an easy place to get to it. Cut it off. Just make sure you cut the pipe that goes just to the tub only. Don't cut anything else right at the moment. And I cut mine above the P-trap, which you can see that little U-shaped piece down there. I don't know if you can see or not. Let me see. Here, you know what? Here. I got a pointer stick right here. That part right there, that's the U-shaped part right there. It's hard to see from that picture, but that's a P-trap. Basically, it holds water in it. That's what keeps the sewer gas from coming back up, smelling out your house. I cut
dangerous.
Yeah, well, it's also just stinks.
Yeah.
So I cut mine.
Dangerous.
I cut mine above that. If you're going to be in a long-term project, the water will evaporate out of that. So, or if you cut it behind that. So, a good thing to do is either get a cap. You can buy those at any hardware store that fits that pipe. Yeah, just get one that pushes on. Just push it on there and leave it for now. You can stuff a rag down into it.
We don't recommend that.
Yeah,
just get a cap.
Yeah, I've done it sometimes. Easy. Yeah, it just depends on what you're doing, guys. Or you can duct tape it shut. Those are the three options. But the cap, they're like a buck.
They're cheap.
Yeah, they're like a buck or two. Just buy it, push it on there. When you get ready to hook it up, pull it off, do your connections, you're done. So that's the smart thing to do with that. So the next thing to do, of course, is demolition. So
we already started that.
Yeah,
as you can see.
Yeah, I knew it was going to be complicated, so I just wanted to get it done and get it out of the way. Getting the tub, we had to pick that tub up,
Let's
run
show
it
them
out.
the tub.
Yeah, we picked it up, run it over, turned it on its side, out, and then out the door here. And you can see there it is sitting in the backyard.
Isn't that attractive?
Yeah, I think we leave it there for landscaping ornament. Maybe I'll
bird bath.
Turn the pump on, hook water up.
It's a bird bath.
Yeah, we'll spray one jet straight up like a water fountain. No. Actually, if anybody locally here in Grand Junction wants that, message us.
Come get it.
Come get it. Yep. I'll leave it sit out for a couple days and then it's going to landfill. So when we post that, anybody want it, come get it. So, okay, with that done, next thing I gotta do is, I gotta remove this because we don't need a plug here anymore. If you're not good with electricity, call an electrician, guys. I know this is a dedicated circuit to the fuse box, so I'm just going to disconnect it, pull it back down in there, disconnect it to the breaker box. It's dead. So I already know how that was.
Times you won't know that.
Yeah, if you don't know how, it might be hooked into other circuits and other stuff like that.
If you haven't done your own wiring, you won't know.
Yeah, I did the wiring in this house. I know how that's wired. That's how I know what I'm going to pull, and I'm just going to let the wire down there.
Don't guess.
Yeah, don't guess. If you don't know, call an electrician, guys. So that's the demo project. Now that we got that, I'll finish cleaning this all up.
That whole half wall is going back.
Yeah, this little thing right here, this ledger, that's going to go away. It's going to get sheetrock back in there again. So we're going to get this all cleaned up. Get this hole filled in right here too, guys. This hole right here. Yep.
That whole hole.
That whole hole. Yeah, that whole hole. It's gotta go away. Yeah, I gotta reroute. This is my TV. This is my outside spigot, so I'm gonna have to obviously turn the water off again, drill a hole in the wall, and reroute that. That'll be fun. I'm gonna use a shark bite coupler. So I'm just gonna cut down there in the crawl space, drill a hole through the stud down to the seal plate, and then just push them back together again. Done deal. This one's going to be a little more complicated. This is a vent pipe, so it'll go somehow up and through here and back together again. That one's just going to have to be work on it as I go kind of process. So we'll figure it out, but I'll get it hooked back up, and then I'm ready for sheetrock. So, but we're going to proceed to that point.
And then we'll come back on and show you.
Yep, and then we'll do another little video and go from there. But right now we're going to finish demoing, and then the next stop is the landfill. I got a whole trailer loaded full of stuff, so we're going to finish cleaning this up, throw it on the trailer, head that
Day at
direction.
the landfill.
Woohoo! Yeah.
That used to be our only date, you guys. Seriously.
Whatever.
Because Mighty Man is cheap.
Yeah.
So like every
Hey.
week, we used to go to the landfill and then stop and get daylight donuts.
Yeah. Hey, you know what's funny is the landfill has, in Mesa County, the landfill really does have the best view. Kid you not. You can see all the way that way towards, what is that, Whitewater?
Are you trying to convince them that this is a good date?
No, I'm just saying.
It's not really working.
I'm just saying it has a really cool view. You can see all that way to...
Just ignore the stink, honey.
Yeah, Delta and Westwater, and then you look the other way and you can see all the way across the valley. This way over
Look
Green
at all those
Junction.
beautiful birds.
Yeah, really, it is. Yeah, good crows. Yeah, whatever. It is. It's got the best view, and it's a landfill. Isn't that
Aren't
awful?
you glad you're not married to Mighty Man?
Yeah, the landfill offers a romantic view.
Anyway, we'll get back on and show you the rest of the stuff.
Yeah, in a couple hours we'll do another video here, and then we'll probably do another one after that. So, guys, have a great weekend.
Have a good Saturday.
Yep.
Enjoy your soccer games or whatever else you're doing.
Yep. Yeah,
Bye.
I'll be working. See you later.